Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation, we shall discuss about what goes on as a coffee shop. Sometimes you have worked the whole day, or you studied the whole day, or you're a working girl, and then what happened after having worked quite a bit of work, you feel very tired. Then your friend and you decide to go out for a short break to refreshen yourself. Then you go, take your friend and go to a coffee shop. At the coffee shop, you order not only coffee, some snacks to relax yourself. So, what do you order? How do you order? That's it. So, today we are going to talk about what happens at a coffee shop. So, two friends are talking. I'm tired, Peter. Let's have some coffee together. I'm tired after working so long. So, I'm tired. Peter is talking to John and says, I am. I'm tired. I'm tired, Peter. That is John speaking, okay? John says, I'm tired, Peter. Let's have some coffee together. Let's have. Let's have some coffee. Let's have some coffee together. So, Peter and John, they're two friends working in a place and they've done a good job. And then after a long time, when they are very, very, very tired, they tell each other. John says, I'm tired, Peter. Come, let's have a break. Let's go for a coffee. All right. So Peter says, that's great. That's great. Peter also was looking forward to a break. And here John says he wants to go. He says, oh, that's great. Let us go to the Star Coffee Shop. That's great. Let us go to the, let's go to the Star. Let's go to the Star Coffee Shop. Star Coffee Shop. So the two friends venture out and go into the coffee shop, and there they are greeted. Good day, gentlemen. What would you like to have? At the coffee shop, they are greeted. Good day or good evening. Good day. Gentlemen, Peter and John, they say, good day, gentlemen. What would you like to have? What? What would you? What would you like to have? At the coffee shop, they could have also said, come in. Good afternoon, gentlemen, or good day, gentlemen. Could you like to have some coffee and snacks? Or they can say, good day, gentlemen, come in. Please take your seats and relax yourself. Whatever. All right. We would like to have 2 cups of nice coffee. So Peter and John says, we would like to have 2 two, we would like to have 2 cups of coffee. 2 cups of nice hot coffee. So you want 2 cups of coffee and it should be hot and nice because you want to feel refreshed. Then Peter says, John, you look very tired. So Peter says, John, you look. John, you look very tired. So Peter is feeling sad for John. He says, you look very tired. Or Peter says, John, you are looking very, very tired. Then he says, yes, I am, Peter. Yes, I am. Yes, I am, Peter. Then let's order for 2 strong coffee. Then he says, John says, then let us ask for 2 strong coffee. 2 strong, hot and strong coffee. It's not really hot, but it should be strong because John looks very tired. Okay, Peter, that'll be good. Okay, Peter, that will be good. So Peter and John at the coffee shop, and here they're discussing about how tired they are, what to order. Then you are there asked again, would you like some snacks? Would you like some snacks? Do you like some snacks too? Just the coffee? Yes. Yes. Please get us some French fries. Some French fries and chocolate biscuits and chocolate biscuits. Then the waiter says, here is the order. Here is your strong coffee, strong, hot coffee, and snacks. Here is the strong, hot coffee and snack. So they come and give it. Here is your bill too. Here is your bill too. And their friends are very happy and say, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We feel refreshed. So the 2 friends, Peter and John, are very, very happy. they refresh themselves. So today we're talking about a conversation at a coffee shop. Having done the work, two friends, John and Peter, venture out into a coffee shop, into a star coffee shop, and then they get a strong coffee and some snack, and now they feel refreshed, ready to get back to work. Now let's read together what I have here. John is telling, I am tired, Peter. Let's have some coffee together. That's great. Let us go to the Star Coffee Shop. Good day, gentlemen. What would you like to have? We would like to have 2 cups of nice hot coffee. John, you look very tired. Yes, I am, Peter. Then let us ask for 2 strong coffee. Okay, Peter, that will be good. Would you like some snacks? Yes, please get us some French fries and chocolate biscuits. Here is your strong hot coffee and snacks. Here is your bill too. Thank you very much. We feel refreshed.